To enable or disable the autofilling of passwords on your phone, this is what you do. Go to Settings, scroll down on the main settings page till you get to General, tap on that to open it, scroll down to Autofill and Passwords. You have to toggle this to be on if you want the passwords to be autofilled. Then you have to toggle these to be on. I'll just cancel the LastPass one for now. That's a third-party app that you might not have on your phone, but you're going to have Apple Passwords for sure. So if you want your passwords to be auto-filled, you got to toggle this on, and this has to contain passwords for various websites you want to log into. And if you want auto-filling of passwords to be turned off, just do it the opposite. Turn that off and turn this off if you want. But you don't have to. So you can have your autofill passwords turned off, but if this is on, it'll still use Passkeys and autofill verification codes for two-factor authentication, or when you sign up to new websites, they send verification codes sometimes, and then it'll autofill those for you. So there's various options you can choose here. Pick the ones that are right for you, and it'll be set it and forget it. It'll just be like that until you come back in here and change it again. And if you want to scam-proof your phone, this is the PDF for you. It's 100% free. I made it for you. You can download it by scanning this QR code, or you can click the link at the top of the description or in the pinned comment. They all take you to the same place. You can get the Scam Proof My iPhone PDF today, and then scam proof your phone today. It doesn't take long. You just gotta follow the steps in this short PDF. And then you probably wanna make sure that your iPhone does not have malware, adware, or viruses on it. This video shows you how. So check that one out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.